Do you remember the last time you spent money while listening to music? We all know how much we enjoy music. We play it when driving, hanging out with friends, and even while working on our assignments. But what if you had a button on your computer or smartphone that you could press to get paid each time you listened to your favorite song? Pay attention to this video because I'll share everything I know about it, and yes, it is a thing that works. You might make a lot of money online by employing the strategy if you watch this video to the end and discover how to work from home part-time. So be sure to watch the entire video to learn everything there is to know about this technique. With this method, you'll discover how to continuously make money by tapping a button on your phone while making money at the same time. Imagine starting your music money-making machine as soon as you get out of bed, going about your day, enjoying a good dinner, and creating money while you listen to your favorite music. In order to get started, we must first open a PayPal account. This is how we will receive our payment from the many websites I'll demonstrate in today's video. Simply create a straightforward personal account by clicking here to go to paypal.com, then click the Sign Up button. Your account will be ready to use in no time. From anywhere in the world, you can carry out this activity and profit from these websites. How can I be compensated when there is no requirement for a premium membership to utilize this? Since many people are already familiar with PayPal, the RadioEarn.com website will pay you using this method. You can view the live statistics of all the various listeners from all across the world right here, which is really straightforward and uncomplicated. This sum has already been distributed among visitors of this website all across the world. Numerous customers from all around the world are currently using the service to listen to music while making money. Here, you may zoom in and out to see how many people are now making money. Click this button to register for an account on this website, then fill out the form to successfully create your new account and access your very own dashboard. You can select one of 3 radio stations right now, and you will be paid after a few minutes of listening. Once you have access to your dashboard, your account will immediately get the points, which will then be turned into real money. However, you must enter your payment information on this page before you can begin making money with this technique. Just input the information for your freshly created PayPal account or the preferred payment method. Click on this button to start listening and making money right away. A new tab will appear once you click on the radio station. Just press the play button over here. The best feature of this approach is that it can be simply left running in the background. This platform is easy to use and intuitive, and all it involves is switching to another station after the required number of minutes. So try it out straight away. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Let's return to the video now. Another website that rewards you for using your phone to listen to music is cash4minutes.com. All you have to do is register on this page. They will give you an email confirmation when you sign up to confirm your account. Your first login will display this information board where you can see the entire flow and instructions for using the website to generate income. After completing that, you can move on to the following platform, hitpredictor.com, and begin making money. One of my favorite websites for earning money while enjoying music is this one. As soon as you check up, you'll probably start getting paid to review the music on our website. You will be taken to this page after you have done listening so that you may comment and review the music of the artist. After you've completed reading, you can collect points that can then be exchanged for money. The last website, but certainly not the least, is musicsray.com, where you can evaluate songs by artists and earn money while listening to their music. It is the industry's top song and talent filter, claims their website. To apply for those jobs, you can either listen to music or submit it. Let me now quickly review the platforms that we have covered. First, There is a website called RadioEarn. You can make money on this website simply by listening to music. If you'd want, you can stream music and use iTunes. Simply visit the website and create a free account there if you'd like. The name of the second website is cash4minutes.com. This website will pay you to pick up the phone and make a few calls while you are streaming an online radio station. Hit Predictor, the third website, features reviews of recently released music that has never been heard before. The final website is called Music X-Ray, and it allows you to make money both by uploading your own music and just by listening to music. The end of that. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.